Ready, salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Turlock High School. My name is Lola, and this is your bulletin for Friday, November 13th. The votes are in for Quarantinecoming. Here are the winners. Class of 2024 is Kaylee Gutierrez and Logan Vaughn. Class of 2023, Julia Reyna and Nick Beacon. Class of 2022, Janessa Gutierrez and Will McGee. And seniors, Serenity Van Bedford and Tyson Weatherby. Remote library checkout is now available. Find information in your advisement classroom or ask your English teacher. Let's read.
Okay, hi, I'm Josh Backus, and here are the rest of the announcements. We have Unity Week starting November 16th, and here are the dress-up days for you to participate in and show your unity. So Monday we got Cultural Heritage Day, so dress to represent your culture or ethnicity. Tuesday, Superhero Day, or superhero apparel. Wednesday, we are Grateful Day, so post or share something you are grateful for. And Thursday is Squad Day, so you'll wear your class color. Freshmen will wear blue, sophomores will wear black, juniors will wear white, and then seniors will wear gold, okay? And then for faculty, you guys will wear orange. And then on Friday, of course, you wear blue and gold and show that we're all Bulldogs together. College and career, do you need extra help with your articulation application? Call Sandra Martinez Silva at 667-8319. Career technical education courses can lead to employment and or post-secondary education opportunities. There are multiple CTE pathways available to our students. If you are interested, contact our career navigator, Sandra Martinez Silva at 209-667-8319. Over and out, Bulldogs. Have a great Friday the 13th.